Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use if else in SciLab. So first of all I will show you simple use of if. So let's create a variable. Now I want to print a message, and that message should be printed if the value of a is greater than 10. Okay, so if a greater than 10. So this is the syntax of if statement in SciLab. You need to write if, then you need to write condition, then you need to write then, and here is whatever number of statement you want to execute when this condition become true, you can write here. So I just simply want to print a message a is greater than 10, and when the if statement is completed, write end. So if you can see here, the value of a is 12 and the 12 is greater than 10, so in that case this condition will be evaluated as true. So the if statements will be executed and it will print a is greater than 10. Now let's say uh, I want to modify this code, and I want to see if value is not greater than 10. In that case also it should show some message. So let's change the value of a to 5. Now I'm going to write the same code again. So here now instead of writing and I will write else. Okay, so now we are having if part and else part. So if part will be executed when condition is true, else part will be executed when condition is false. So this time our a's value is less than 10, which make this condition false, and the control of execution will come in else part, and this message will be printed a is smaller than 10. Now in case if you are having a number of conditions which need to be checked, so you can go for a if else ladder. And what is that? I'm just showing you a simple case. Let's say in a I'm having 2 and I want to print their equivalent number in English. So I'm not going to show you all the cases. So if a equal to 0, then print 0. Else and then you need to write if. So this is else if letter. Else if, and one more condition, a greater than a is equal to 1, then else if a equal to 2, and so on. So I am putting an end here. So the value of a is equal to 2, so in that case all these conditions will be false and this condition will be true, which print this message on the screen. So this is a very simple use of if else. Hope you have understand it. In next one we will see use of case. Thank you very much for watching.